This video will cover Empower Connect dashboard for components. Once connected to your component, the dashboard is the first screen that you will see. To get to your dashboard, you can press F3 on your keyboard or press F3 dash button up top. Starting on the left side, we have three gauges that display information about your component: your RPM gauge, your amperage gauge, and your voltage gauge. Right below your voltage gauge, you have your direction of the motor, counterclockwise or clockwise. This indicates how the motor spins on your component. Moving to the right, we have the manual control box. This is where I go to manually control my component. And to get started, I need to press to enable control, this button below. Once I've determined a speed I would like my component to go, I need to put that number in the box above. Once that number is inputted in the box above, make sure to press to turn on the button below. This will make sure my component is going at the speed I have specified. Also, make sure that speed is within the parameters of that particular component. Once I have completed the manual control, press to turn off the button right below. To reverse the component, I'll put the speed in the speed box above and then click on the reverse button below. Notice how the direction changes from counterclockwise to clockwise. Once manual control is complete, click on the reverse button again. And once I am totally done with manually controlling my component, press the disable control, the button at the bottom. There's some additional information in the box below. Starting on the left-hand side, I have external temperature. As you can tell, it says NAN, meaning not a number, meaning there's no information to display in that box. Right below that, I have hours, which gives me the amount of hours of controller time. Moving to my right, I have battery voltage, internal temperature, and external temperature, minimum and maximum. This is over the life of the controller, the minimum and the maximum. If there are any questions over anything covered in this video, please contact service@emp-corp.com.